Next section, socialization. What is meant by socialization? It is a process of learning that enables the learner to perform social role and ability to participate in social system. Look at this picture. Socialization in schools. Preschool socialization. Concept. Human behavior is acquired. The existence of society and social process is possible with socialization. For example, if two persons interact with each other, what happens? The person have been learned with each other to understand and adjust the existence of society. Can you define socialization? Socialization is the process by which the individual learns to conform the group norms according to Ogburn. Aim and objectives of socialization. First, to become social and cultural being. Second, to maintain social order. 3, to develop hidden or latent talents. 4, to lead quality and meaningful life. 5, to fulfill social roles. 6, for existence of specific pattern of behavior. 7, to mold and shape the total personality. Characteristics of socialization. First character, it is continuous process. Second, tool of transmission of culture. 3, learning process. 4, established limits on the individual. Importance of socialization. First, to express himself more effectively the hidden and latent talents. 2, to newborn child mold his personality. 3, to individuality develops. 4, to makes the individual to become socially disciplined. 5, to helps him to live according to social exactness. Look at this picture. Importance of socialization in schools. Six, to assist him to learn the norms. 7, to importing skills. 8, to aspirations and desires, fulfillment. 9, contribute to the stability of social order. 10, reduce social distance between caste, class and religion. 11, bring people together. 12, solve social problems. 13, transmits culture. process of socialization. Children and adults learn from others throughout their life. An educational process which values, goals, belief, attitudes, and sex role are acquired from birth to death. Look at this flow chart. Steps and process of socialization. Socialization started from family. A child socialized with family members, mother, father, and other members by means of interaction and communication. Then religion. After born in a family, a child goes to religious places for religious activities, worship, and learn the religion and become socialized with religious groups. Then goes to education or schools, socialized with peer group and teachers, and learn to conform their role. Then after school and college education, goes to work and getting occupation, interact with colleagues, socialization in workplace, become happier work life. After that, other social systems including community and professional groups and social groups, a person have been interact with and learn with each other, socialized with each other, become a person and conform their role. Factors in socialization process. First factor, imitation, means act like others. In family, child act like their parents. Second, suggestion, means provide directions. In family, children ask various questions. Parents provide suggestion and moral teaching. 3. Identification, recognize others by means of interaction and sanctions. Language and socialization. Language is medium of social interaction, socialization process. Language used to transmit culture. Language molds the personality of individual. Hence, language is a fundamental element for socialization. There is good languages can help us to promote better socialization. Role of socialization. First, total personality development. Second, human behavior development. 3. Development of communication skills. Theories of socialization. The core essence of socialization is the development of self. The important theories are listed below. First theory, Coley's theory. looking glass self. Second theory, George Herbert Mead's theory. Third one, Sigmund Freud's theory. Fourth one, W.A. Thomas theory. Detail going on. First, Coley's theory, looking glass self. This theory explains the concept of self, self ideas, self attitudes developed by imaging process or perception. Look at this, Charles Horton Coley. Coley's looking glass self. Look at this. Just like glass, a person identifies self from the society, from the interaction, and by means of socialization. This theory emphasizes two primary propositions. First, mind is social, which means what are the factors available in society that only available in our minds. Second proposition, society is mental. What is available in the mind that only we can see in this society. It is two classic proposition by this theory. It's the essence of self. That the idea of self or ego or I can arise only in relationship with other people. The self-consciousness would not exist in the absence of society. Second theory, George Herbert Mead's theory. Look at this. George Herbert Mead's theory was an American social psychologist. According to him, through social interaction, man became aware of himself. The individual comes known about himself by role playing. Self is product of social interaction. Look at this. A persons interact with each other and known with each other. 3. Sigmund Freud's theory. Look at this. Was Austrian psychologist, self and society are not individual, according to Freud's. Human mind consists of 3 components. 1. It work on pressure or desire principle. 2. Ego, working on reality principle, act with ideas, norms. 3. Superego, works on morality principle. Look at this poster. Freud's theory of personality. 8. Question, I want it now. Ego, I need to do a bit of planning to get it. Superego, you cannot have it. It is not right. Freud's psychological reality. According to Freud, it is unconscious. Superego is pre-conscious. Ego only conscious. Next theory, W.A. Thomas theory. According to this theory, the individual's unconsciously depends upon his or her society. Hence, every theories emphasize core essence of socialization is development of self. Next, stages of socialization. Look at this flow chart. First stage, oral stage. Second, anal stage. 3, oedipal stage. 4, latency stage. 5, adolescent stage. Detail going on. Next, types of socialization. Ian Robertson has classified into 4 types of socialization. First, primary socialization, early life of child, family, friends and playmates. Second, anticipatory socialization, learn own group culture and other group. 4, developmental socialization, already developed skills progresses through new situations. Example, graduate nurses is appointed as clinical nurse, develop their skill through workshops and seminars, etc. 5, re-socialization, learned new skills. General classification. A, child socialization, mold the personality of the child. B, adult socialization, socialization is lifelong continuous process, never it ends in between. Next, organizational socialization having 3 stages. Anticipatory socialization, organizational entry and assimilation, organizational disengagement and exit. In organization, socialization is essential for more productivity. Agents of socialization. Family and parents, school, teachers, playmates, peer group, friends, religion, lecture and mass media, state, law, rules, norms, etc. Elements of socialization. First element, physical and psychological heritage of an individual. Second, environment. 3, culture. 4, norms. 5, attitudes. 6, role and performance. Socialization and health. Is socialization affect health? Yes, it has been affect or influence physical health, mental health and social well-being. Good socialization promote holistic health. Lack of socialization cause the diseases including physical illness, mental illness, and social disabilities. Socialization and nursing. First, care. Socialization is very important for client-oriented care. Second, cure. To formulate treatment plan. The socialization is important. Socialization is a social medicine. As a nurse should be prescribed to away from various diseases. Example, stress. If a person come into hospital with stress, nurse can advise to interact with family members and other related social groups and learn with society to cure the stress and manage the stress. 3. Prevention. Socialization has been prevent the diseases. Hence, nurses can use the concept of socialization for prevention of diseases. 4. Promotion of health. How to promote holistic health? Need to socialize, need to learn with each other, understand with each other, making happiness, which help to promote existing health, physical health and mental health become empower, and we can living away from social disabilities. 5. Professional competence. As a nurse, need to conceptualize the socialization to promote competitiveness in nursing services. 6. Nursing management. The concept of socialization used in every aspect of nursing management, including disease management, ward management, as well as nursing educational management activities. 7. Health education. Nurse use the concept of socialization to educate the client. Nurse can prescribe the socialization to client away from diseases and promote existing health. 8. Stress management. As we had discussed, the socialization is a primary tool or medicine to manage the stress. It is a social medicine. 9. Counseling. Nurse as a counselor need to socialize with client, to understand about client problem according to give guidance to solve the client issues. 10. Nursing research. Nurse as a researcher, the concept of socialization used as a research topic. For example, to study socialization in particular nursing college and understand about socialization among nursing students, faculties, and try to improve good socialization in healthcare institutions, mainly the educational, health and medical nursing educational institutions. All nursing discipline use this knowledge, including maternal health nursing, to promote socialization among the mothers for happier motherhood, pediatric nursing to promote socialization among children, to promote happier child life, medical surgical nursing used to better treatment and outcome from these surgeries and better medical practices in clinical setting. Mental health. In mental health, socialization is one of the important medicine. It is a social medicine to treat various mental illness, including stress, depression, personality disorders, and conduct disorder, etc. Then community health nursing. In community setting, nurse should be advised to groups, families, and individuals to promote socialization, to understand about communities, families, and create healthier and wealthier communities in our society. What are the difference between individualization and socialization? First, individualization is a process of made independent, but socialization is learning process. 2. Individualization develop good personality, but socialization shape personality. 3. Individualization independently work in a group, but socialization interact with group members. 4. Individualization regarding self, but socialization regarding social. Can you define web of social relationship? The mutual influences the individuals and groups have one another in their attempts to solve problems and they are striving towards goals. Elements of social interaction. First element, social contact. Second element, communication. Thank you. Have a nice day.